Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to merge and unmerge cells in Excel. First of all, we should know where we can find the command to merge or unmerge the cells in Excel. For this, we have to go to the Home tab, click on this Home tab, and under Alignment Group, here we can find the command to merge and unmerge the cells. Okay, now I will explain you how we can use this command, because if we look carefully on the right hand side of this command we can find one drop down option. If we click on this, there are again 4 options will appear on our Excel screen, that is merge and center, merge across, merge cells and unmerge cells. Okay, so first 3 options are used to merge the cells, and the last option we can use to unmerge the cells which are already merged. Now what is the meaning of merging or unmerging the cells? To merge the cells means we can combine the data within the adjacent cells, or we can say we can merge the data within the selected adjacent cells. So here I have entered a data like Excel in one cell, tricks in another cell, with in another cell, and Tejraj in another cell. So this is name Excel tricks with Tejraj, which is the name of our website or YouTube channel. So I have split this name as each word in different cell. Okay, now we will see how we can merge this data into the adjacent cells. To merge the data, we have to select the entire data which we wish to merge. Then we have to click on the Home tab, and under Alignment Group we can see the first option after selecting this drop down button, Merge and Center. If we click on this, it will give us one pop-up. Merging cells only keeps the upper left cell value and discard the other values. It means that if we use this option merge and center, it will keep only value from the upper left cell. That means it will keep value only Excel, and it will remove all the data which is available below this Excel. So if we click on this, we can see that only Excel word is now visible and it is merged into the selected cells. I will again click on this drop down button, and we will see another option, but before that we have to undo this action. Okay, so that we can get the original data. Now we will again select this data and click on the second option, merge across. So what this option will do, as we can see here on the screen, merge across, it means it will merge the selected cells in the same row into the one large cells. So in the previous option we got only one word Excel, which is now available in the top left cell in the our selected data. But if we use this option, we can see that we got each word in the separate row. So each row is now merged within itself. So we can do this with the help of second option. We will again select this data and click on this drop down button, and we will use merge cells. Again it will give the same pop-up which we have received for the first option, merge and center, that merging cells only keep the upper left cell value and discard the other values. If we click on this, we will get the word Excel. Now there might be a question in your mind, what is the difference between this merge and center and merge cells? Typically both are the same, but the difference is only in the alignment. In the merge and cell, we will get the merge data which is aligned in the center, but with this third option, merge cells, the data will not be aligned in the center. It will get aligned as per the previous alignment settings which we have applied to our original data. Okay, and the next option is unmerged cells. So this data we have already merged. To unmerge the data, we have to just click on this unmerge cell option. Okay, So I hope you are now clear with all the options from this merge and unmerge command. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.